Okay, moving on to the dollar and precious. Dollar index just drifted a little bit lower over the last couple of days. However, all the action has been in gold and silver. It's been a long time coming, but they've finally broken up. Background information: central banks bought a record 289 tons of gold in the second quarter, which follows up on all that Chinese buying I mentioned at the weekend. So let's begin with the dollar index, a little bit lower, although nowhere near the lows that were posted on Monday. Still have that powerful resistance at 112. On the short-term chart, we've got 133 as the final resistance and 99.30 and a half below, which connects with an old point of most time at 99.20. So that is a powerful support. Interested if it gets down there, how it performs. Gold in real currency terms just surged higher. It's just taken out the whole of July pretty much in one day. And when we look at COMEX, also see a decisive breakout. Next historical target 46.35.3, and obviously now we have that 42.26.3 as now monthly based support. On the short-term chart, we see the surge. We have 42.09.1 and then 40.81.2 to 75.7, and all players can place their stop on a daily close below that zone. So a pretty big change. On the short-term chart, on the profile chart, we do have a nearer upside target, which is a point of most time at 45.32. And note that on Monday we didn't end up holding the point of most time in the current uptrend. On the weekly chart, haven't quite made it to the third deviation up, which is 43.30.9. And on the monthly chart, still got plenty of room. We still haven't even hit the first deviation up. On silver, not quite as powerful as gold, but we've managed to finally crack 62.17 level. So the next historical upside target is 72.08. Can also change the stop to a daily close below 59.54 if you are risk averse. Looking at the weekly chart shows how we're not as strong because we haven't even made it to the second deviation up yet. The extreme 65.22. So in conclusion, dollar index trend is sideways, but we have very good support at 99.20. Remember, we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. Gold trend is up, has been for a while, but finally sort of got its mojo together. Next target 45.32, point of most time. All longs place stop on a daily close below 40.75.7, and that will very much probably change for the weekend update. Silver trend is up, next target 72.08. Place stop on a daily close below 57.60 and a half if strategic, and risk averse, raise the stop to a daily close below 59.54. And here are your supports and resistances. Okay, thank you.